everybody, welcome to my video. Hi everybody,
Hi everyone. Welcome to our video.
Again.
Yes, again. So we're gonna show you how to do
Sushi
roll.
Again.
Okay, for mommy. Mommy wanna eat what?
California roll.
California roll and cucumber roll.
I love cucumber.
Okay, you know how to choose cucumber?
I don't know.
Okay, you have to choose the cucumber is straight. Okay, straight.
Do this.
And usually the same size. Okay.
How do that?
It's the option. You wanna peel or you just wash. You know what? You can eat on the skin.
I wanna eat the skin.
I
wanna try it.
Let me wash first, okay? Okay, let's wash. I'm gonna wash the cucumber first.
I need gloves.
Now we're gonna wrap the mat with the plastic wrap, okay?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll show you.
Yay, show me please.
Okay. We're gonna wrap this side like this, okay?
Oh, we didn't know that, right?
Okay.
I can do it.
1, yep.
Again.
2, 3, 4 times is enough, okay? 4. And cut it. That's it. Okay. And now we,
So squishy.
yeah, we squeeze the bubble out. No bubble.
No bubbly.
No bubble, no bubbly. Okay, and we
Just
fold.
flat.
And we fold this one.
I wanna do that.
No, we just fold the. Okay, fold that one. Okay. Do you have the Scotch tape? Yes.
No.
We got
Scotch
the
tape.
Scotch tape. We're gonna put right here. So when we roll, this one is not gonna come out.
I can do that.
Okay, cut it.
I hope I don't.
When we do the roll, we use this side. We don't use this side.
Why?
Okay. Because this side they have the tape. My suggestion: use glove. Okay.
I told them already.
Oh, you told them already? I didn't know that. First, we're gonna start cut cucumber. Okay. This is the crab stick that we use for California roll. Okay, we're gonna cut the cucumber the same size of the crab.
Oh.
Okay, we cut 2 of it.
I am eating the same size.
So, mommy doesn't like the skin, so we peel the skin for mommy.
I love this skin.
Oh, you love the skin? Okay. Okay. One it should be enough for mommy.
For me.
We're gonna start cut cucumber. Okay. It make it easy cut
That.
like that. Okay. We're gonna use 2 pieces for the roll. Okay. This is crab stick. Okay.
Gosh, lipstick. Make a tower?
We're
What
gonna
is
use
this?
the seaweed.
What is this? I like seaweed to eat.
You like seaweed to eat? Yeah, for you. Okay. This is full size of seaweed, so we cut in half by fold it. And just tear it. It's easy to break because it's crunchy. We're gonna use this side because this side is gonna face down. Normally you can use both sides, but when the cutting board is wet or moisture, this side, the rough side, is stick on the cutting board. But so we use this one, the shiny one. Okay. Okay, we're gonna use the rice that we already made it from the previous video. So we're gonna put the link below.
And I also have
The tip, when you touch rice with the glove right now, is sticky. Okay? We don't use water. The tip is
This thing.
you use like 1 drop of oil.
Uh-oh.
Just like that.
Oh.
And we rub it. Okay? Look now, right? Rice not sticky on your hand. See?
It's sticky if you don't have gloves.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
Make a big bowl.
For how much amount of rice?
6.
It depends on you. If you want to eat more rice, you put more rice. Now we put rice in the middle. We pull it down.
Everywhere.
Okay, push it up. We're gonna do rice outside. So when we do rice outside, we're gonna lap the rice over seaweed a little bit, because when you roll, you're not gonna see seaweed. Okay, we got fish egg for mommy. Okay,
Just like this. Here.
like that. Okay.
If you want to use it with your hands, you can use it.
Can you do one more time?
One more time.
I like it a lot.
Just scoop it
I love it.
and put
What?
all over like that.
And you forgot some under there.
One more. Mommy said
One more.
a lot. And what you call this one?
I don't know.
Sesame seed.
Sesame Street.
Sesame seed.
Not Sesame Street.
Sesame seed.
It rhymes with Sesame Street.
Oh,
What's that?
This one.
okay. The other one. That's the white one. So the other one is black one.
Black one.
So make
They're
it
my
different
favorite.
color.
Yeah, I tasted those
Okay.
before.
And then we use this one.
The one that we already prepared.
We already prepared. Okay.
Okay.
Put it on. Move your hand like that.
And you
Okay.
and you can still see.
You
the
leave
seed.
it about 1 inch from your mat. Okay.
You like it?
You know what we forgot? We forgot to cut avocado.
My favorite. Oh,
Okay. So we're gonna slice avocado to put in the roll. Okay.
I want avocado too, but I have some. See, do you like avocado?
So the quarter of avocado we can cut like 4 pieces.
4 or 5?
4, please.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Lay
will.
avocado on the seaweed. If you spend more time on the roll, the seaweed is gonna shrink. So we try to move it fast. Yes. Okay. When you roll, you use your finger to control on the ingredient inside and roll it.
And roll it all up.
See, the first step is not rolled yet. The second one is finish the roll. You lift it up, move the under one, put it down. If you feel sticky, use this. Okay. Make the rice that lap over here.
Yeah.
Push it in. We got the roll now. We get some water.
And I got her plate. I got your plate, mommy. And plate.
A little bit more. Sorry.
And plate, mommy. This plate.
Okay, that one is okay. So we get
Put seaweed
water
on it.
from
Ma'am.
like that. Okay, to wet knife. Don't press it, you just saw it. Okay. First, so we're gonna cut 10 pieces. 1,
2, 3, 4.
it's gonna be 10 pieces. Okay.
And we're ready for our mama.
I'm not gonna show this side because it's not flat. Okay. Now, first avocado, California roll for mommy done.
And put some seaweed here.
Where the seaweed?
That's
a
seaweed.
cucumber skin. Seaweed's on your nose, on your mouth. Yes, because they keep it fresh.
Could you help me, Daddy?
Okay.
I don't want to squeeze it anywhere. I don't want to squeeze it. Squeeze it.
Okay. That is from the tube.
Yeah, thank you พอแล้วค่ะ That's enough thank you Thank you วดา
Yes, that's all done.
That's all done.
So we're gonna reuse this one to make seaweed outside for cucumber roll. Okay, we're gonna cut the seaweed. For the seaweed.
Steve.
One drop,
Again.
2 drop is okay. Drop it. We're gonna make the small roll. So we're gonna use red rice. Okay. Put rice a little bit low. Make the space like that. We're not gonna put full rice. We have 2 of this, so we use this one. You put the same edge.
A new
Okay.
edge.
Cucumber. If inside is too loose, the roll is losing. You have to get enough, okay? You can use rice to be a glue or just use water. Start roll. See that? Okay. Okay. Done. And then cut the roll. This roll we're gonna cut 6 pieces. Okay.
Cool, I want that.
Okay, this is done. Okay, now it's done. You wanna eat?
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye. Subscribe.
กินให้หมดก่อน
Oh. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe and thumbs up. And see you next video.
You didn't say if you like it.
If you like it, or you like it.
If you like it, give me a thumb. Subscribe. Bye. Like that.
Okay, like that. Okay, yum. Yummy. Okay, good.
Bye.
Ooh.
Bye
No. Okay.